Tamara here, and thanks for coming to check out my video. So in today's video, I am talking about List Infinity, which is a done-for-you online business. And it's super easy because basically they have like 14 or 13 or 14 different landing pages you can choose from. So lead capture pages. And then they have an email sequence that you can literally click into your email autoresponder, which you can also start for free. They will automatically insert all 30 done-for-you emails with your affiliate links with the click of a button. Literally that easy. Okay, so you don't have to build any landing pages or sales funnels or write emails. That's all done for you. Even better is you can make $10, $100, and soon I think $300 instant commissions into your PayPal or your Stripe account when someone joins under you. Not bad, right? Not only that, you can also, he's adding new things all the time. Derek is the owner. So what he has just added is that you could put your other affiliate offers as well. So all the people that join under you will see your sponsor's recommended offers. So even more. And inside, there's also, I think, 5 or 6 different income streams you can join easily for free as well, right? So it's a multiple income stream done for you online business. And I'm going to also show you my bonuses that you're going to get as well if you join under me by clicking that link below. So I don't know. Are you excited? Let's go. Let's go inside. Let me show you. Break it all down for you. Okay. List Infinity has had a little update lately. So now you can join. You can still join for free, but now you have the option that you can upgrade to the $10 level, which means then you would be able to get $10 instant payments into your PayPal or Stripe if anyone joins under your link. Then you have the option to upgrade to Pro and you would earn $100 instant commissions as well as the $10 ones. Okay. So it makes it a little bit more affordable for people to join and start making those $10 ones. And then, you can upgrade to Pro for $100, one-time payment. They're both one-time payments, okay, the $10 and the $100. And then you can receive basically unlimited $10 and $100 commissions instantly. Alrighty. And in the meantime, you're also building your email list. Okay, so you're collecting the leads. So, after your email sequence for List Infinity, you'll have an email list that you can, send them about different offers as well in the future. So that is pretty good. So every lead you generate goes directly to your email list, as I was saying. And there is, I believe, 14 done for you lead capture pages now. And also you can import, like with the click of a button, you can get a free Aweber account for up to 500 subscribers, and literally very, very easily you can import the done for you email sequence. And there's also step-by-step training for free traffic from Facebook and solo ads. He's also added multiple streams of income that generate easy passive commissions, including your own offers that you promote already. You can include those as well, which I'll show you inside exactly where to do that in my dashboard. Okay, just a lot of people from the Facebook groups showing you that yes, it does work. Yeah, I've made $100 commissions and I believe 3 or 4 $10 ones. Okay, so all you have to do to get started is to create your free account. And if you do decide to upgrade to the Pro, the $100 one, you're going to get all of these bonuses. So Facebook traffic strategies, 10K a month blueprint, TikTok marketing, YouTube authority, Instagram, and some, mindset training. And you get a free vacation to one of 125 locations when you upgrade to Pro. And there are no timeshare presentations, but this does include your flights. It's just your hotel, which is anywhere from, depending on where you choose to go, 3 nights to, I think, 7 nights. So I think there's 3-night, 5-night ones, and 7-night ones, depending on your location. So it is literally 3 simple steps. Set up the system, pick one of the lead capture pages, and promote your link. that is it. And yeah, you can upgrade to Pro at any time. So like I said, there's the $10 level, and then Pro is the $100 level. Oh, and you also get a $200 restaurant valid at over 35,000 restaurants worldwide as well. So you're getting a free holiday and $200 in restaurants for the $100 Pro. Like I said, one-time payment. All right, so I am going to log in so I can show you inside. All right, so as you can see, I am a Pro level. So the starter is the $10 one, and then the Pro is the $100 one. Okay, like I said, it's really easy steps to start off. And again, he has them here, system setup. Okay, so you can either get the free Get Response account up to 500 subscribers, or the Aweber one. Now, I suggest the Aweber one because it's super easy. Okay, so you just have to put your list ID, and exactly how to do that too. Okay, and then literally, like I said, click of a button, you'll now import all the done for you emails with your affiliate link in there. So super easy. And then you can customize your bridge page as well. So this one's mine, and you can write whatever you want in there. Okay. And then that would just take you to the homepage with your affiliate link. All right, and this is how you import your email campaign. So once you set up your autoresponder, like I said, Aweber is just the easiest. But if you wanted, like I actually collect my own emails on my own opt-in form that I made. But so you can just click here, and then you can copy and paste all the emails. And then most importantly, of course, where you want to get paid. So you can choose PayPal, Stripe, PayPal and Stripe, or another one. Just contact support, make sure the payment processor you want to include is accepted. All right. And then you activate all your income streams. So you get to sign up for all these for free. And then you just put in your affiliate. Okay. So if any of the people that you bring in to List Infinity, wants to get any of these things, like buy them, then you're get credited for the commissions. Pretty nice, right? And this is new. So you can add your own affiliate offers. So like here, it'll say sponsor recommended. So my sponsor, she recommends these 3 things, which is a little crazy. This is already in here. So why wouldn't she add more offers? I don't know. I added my own offers. So yeah, so you can definitely make it multiple income stream. And then these are you basically, like whatever you decide your username, it'll be here. So you just got to copy this link, whatever one you want to use. Like I said, there is several of them. Or the direct link is right here, but you want to use an opt-in page, okay? And this is where you want to send traffic to. So depending on which plan you're on, the starter one for $10 or the Pro for 100, like I have the 100, right? So you can, I get all access to all this extra training, okay? And then there's some promotion tools. So there's like 60 posts, 30 posts, leads, 100 Facebook groups. All right. So he's linked to 100 Facebook groups that allow ads. You can even use these as your Facebook covers, right? So you just put your affiliate link in the description on Facebook. And then you can see your referrals here. Okay, so I have quite a few. Boop. And they're all on the email list, right? And then your stats. Okay, so that is just the last month because I've done more than that. And then for Pro training, you'll get all this extra training here. And like I said, so everyone will see these, right? And if they want to join, it's going to have like anyone that's under me, my referrals, when they click on there, it'll be my affiliate link attached to it. So same for you. All right. And that is about it. It is pretty easy. You can always contact support here. And if you do upgrade to Pro, then you get all my bonuses. I mean, you'll get all 4 of these bonuses for free for just joining my email list pretty much. And then I have a whole page of free and paid traffic sources that you can use. And as I said, once you upgrade to Pro, then the $100 one, then you're going to get access to all this extra training. Okay, and like you get the holiday inside List Infinity, so you can pick which one you want. Okay, so literally, I've tried to cover every social media out there, and of course, you get the training inside List Infinity as well. Okay, so click the link below, get your free account, get your starter account for $10, or go to Pro and get $100, which means you get both $10 commissions and $100 commissions instantly after anyone that joins using your link. Alrighty, so yeah, make sure you subscribe, because I got some more videos coming for you very soon. All right, have yourself an awesome day. Cheers.